So now we arrive at the Hong Kong Park Aviary. Aviary, so it means a lot of birds inside. So I'll bring you to the Hong Kong Park Aviary. It's located inside Hong Kong Park. So same, the entrance is free. You don't have to pay anything. So the birds are here. Big bird. There's a big bird. This one is the white crested hornbill Berenicornis comatus. So see, he's there inside the cage. Hornbill, this one. On this side, it's written Great Pied Hornbill Busterus ecornis. It's there. Hello, hello. Quick, 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 quick. So big. Look, he's dancing. Hello, hello. Hello, what's your name? Ni hao. He's there. Look, he's Sumpy Dumpy. So let's go ahead. Hello. Quick, 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 quick. He's there. And there's another one there inside. There are two of them. And this one, all these birds were a day crowned. Here there's written crowned pigeons. I think it's inside here. Yeah, it's there. There you cannot see. So let's go to the main entrance of the Youde Aviary. So here, the Youde Aviary entrance. And the map is here. So there is no entrance fee. It's free. Safety first, and then all the birds are here, all the pictures of the birds inside. Then a little bit of story, the birds, and then the trees inside. So we are going inside and look. So the birds here. So you can see the birds around. If you have a camera, you can take photos of these birds. So children, families, they come here inside. The people can only walk on the bridge. They cannot go down. Okay, so there is an artificial river down, but you cannot go there. So photographers, they come inside, take pictures of these birds. So they put food to feed the birds. So the birds, they come here. You can hear them all around. At this hour, maybe they are still sleeping. You can only hear some of their noises. Yeah, now there is one here. So people, they like to have picture taken with the birds or with the parrots. Look. Hello. Candy. Hi. Nó喺呢度影啊，呢度呢度。你都唔驚你驚？唔係呢度好靚啊！ So the birds, they come here. Look, there's the bird there. So these are types of the birds in this aviary. So you can hear all the birds singing on this place. So many birds. Look, there's another one. And then there's another one here. A very small bird. So there's a garden there below, and there's water. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. He's going. Hey, Birdie. What's your name, Birdie? Let me come see you. So we are leaving the Hong Kong Park Aviary, and I think I was able to take pictures of these birds inside.